This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Leanne Amory Wallace. Brick Ranch in walking distance to desirable Simonsdale Elementary School and City Park. Convenient to boat ramp, grocery, restaurants, Forts complex and shopping. This home features 2 full baths, one with grab bars and easy step-in shower. Kitchen has new stainless refrigerator, new gas oven/range, new hood, new stainless dishwasher. The air conditioner system was just replaced and under warranty. Rare find, detached brick 2-car garage with loft area. Possible transition to an apartment with permits and modifications. All new paint, new flooring and new interior doors. Home features spacious driveway, covered front porch, dual view fireplace. For more information, review the details below.